Well, we all are aware of what has happened. The nation is in a money mood. For us as Zenith Bank, particularly, is a very touchy situation because these are our friends, they are our friends, our colleagues, our partners in what we do. It is taking a jolt for us as a bank, and the only thing we can say is that the good Lord will just accept their souls. We are particularly interested in what happens afterwards. It's quite sad. But whatever it is, just like we have always been doing, the bank will ensure that whatever is it that's left behind, that their memories, their legacies continue to live on.